Okay, we have a 2022 Kia Stonic, and this is how to reset the service interval. It's a very easy procedure, no special tools needed. So we jump in the car, turn the ignition on without starting the vehicle, and you'll see in this particular vehicle it says it's got 6 days left for its service. Now what to do with this is we just need the right hand side of the steering wheel. We'll need the menu button, which is the one with a load of lines on it, and you'll also need the very middle button for going up and down and pushing in. So the first thing to do is to push the menu button and keep pressing it until we get to this menu. So using the up and down toggle on here, so we go down until we highlight service interval. To select the service interval, push this button in. So if we push that in, then you'll actually see exactly what you've got left in mileage and days. Now we need to push and hold this button down and keep it pressed down until you see that. So it says reset time and distance. So you can highlight no if you don't want to do it, but if you do want to do it, keep it on yes with using the same toggle button and then push it in to accept. And that's it. You can see in the display it's now reset to 365 days or 10,000 miles. All we need to do now is ignition off and back on, and we're all sorted. Hope that's nice and easy for you.